Welcome to Luxury Vehicles. If you're passionate about luxury cars and want the latest updates, insights, and detailed information about high-end automobiles, you're in the right place. Subscribe to my channel for the best and most exclusive videos on luxury cars. Stay tuned for exciting content. Today we are discuss about Rolls Royce Ghost. The Rolls Royce Ghost is a masterpiece of luxury and performance, designed for those who appreciate elegance and refinement. Under the hood, it boasts a 6.75L twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering an impressive 591 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Despite its powerful performance, the Ghost is engineered for a whisper-quiet ride, thanks to its planar suspension system and all-wheel drive, ensuring a smooth and effortless driving experience. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, maintaining a balance of power and control. The Ghost's exterior exudes sophistication, with its signature illuminated Pantheon grille and the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy adorning the front. Riding on 21-inch alloy wheels, with the option for 22-inch custom wheels, the car ensures stability and luxury on any road. The noise-reducing, high-performance tires further enhance the serene driving experience. The doors open in a signature coach style, providing an effortless entry and exit, complete with built-in umbrella compartments for ultimate convenience. Inside, the Ghost offers an ultra-luxurious cabin, featuring hand-stitched leather seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The Starlight headliner, with thousands of fiber optic lights, creates a celestial ambience, making nighttime drives magical. The bespoke 18-speaker audio system provides an immersive sound experience, while the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and advanced infotainment system offer intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Safety and technology are at the forefront, with 360-degree cameras, night vision, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking ensuring peace of mind on every journey. With a starting price of approximately $340,000, and customization options that can push it well over $400,000, the Rolls Royce Ghost is more than just a car, it's a statement of prestige, power, and unparalleled craftsmanship. Whether driven by the owner or enjoyed from the rear seat, the Ghost defines modern luxury in every detail.